Can you hear me? All of you? Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Yes, yes, sir.
What
Sir,
मैं फर्स्ट सर मैं लॉन्ग के फर्स्ट का आंसर दूं सर मैं नहीं दे पाती हूँ
सर मैं दूं।
सर मुझे मौका नहीं मिलता सर दूं
कैसे मौका नहीं मिलता है? तो मिला
सबको मौका मिलता है। मेरा कहना ये है, what I want to say that, okay, listen me carefully. What I want to say, listen carefully.
अरे नहीं बाबा सर
What I want to say, listen me carefully, okay. I want to say that yesterday I have अपने घर में जरा सा
सबको म्यूट कर दीजिए।
पढ़ाई करता है कि घर में बात करता है? माता पिता को समझाओ थोड़ा सा।
यस सर।
Tell your parents not to disturb you while you are reading. How much I should teach? When I will unmute you, I will mute you. How will I be able to teach you? How will I be able to get your feedback? पढ़ लिख रहे हो, अगर एक अच्छी संस्था में पढ़ रहे हो तो एक अच्छे तौर तरीके भी तो सीखना चाहिए ना। While you are reading, read in a calm place. Tell your parent that not to shout. Tell your brother and sister not to shout at that place. Okay. Now listen what I am saying. Yesterday, in your class, I have discussed the objective type questions. Okay.
सर
And in other sections,
sir.
okay, in other sections, I have discussed the large question. Okay, I've discussed the large question. Now, what I will be doing in your class, again in this class, I will be discussing the section D question. Okay, section D. If you have problem in those, I will discuss it again. ठीक है? तो कल जो वीडियो भेजे हैं वो वीडियो को ध्यान से सुन लेना, और वो चैनल जो है DAV CRRC गया उसको सब्सक्राइब कर लो कि जब भी हम डालेंगे तो तुमको मिल जाएगा। ठीक है?
सर हम सब्सक्राइब किए हैं
हाँ, ऑल ऑफ यू सब्सक्राइब
भी किए हुए सर।
सर हम भी किए हैं।
वेरी गुड। और उसको ऐसा करो कि जब हम और भी उसमें अच्छे अच्छे वीडियो डालेंगे बना बना कर।
किए हैं।
ओके, एंड आस्क योर फ्रेंड्स आल्सो टू सब्सक्राइब। ओके,
ओके
अभी
सर।
क्या करना है मेरी बात तो सुनो।
आंसर
जो
दूं
वीडियो जो हम डाले हैं उसको ध्यान से सुन लो। ठीक है, उसको ध्यान से सुन लो। वो वीडियो इसमें क्वेश्चन आंसर हम डिस्कस किए हैं। डोंट टॉक।
वीडियो की सब्सक्राइब करना है, सब्सक्राइब चुप रहा।
इसमें हम ये वाला क्वेश्चन देखो डिस्कस किए हैं। ठीक है, ये वाला क्वेश्चन जहां हम डिस्कस किए हैं, ये वाला को तुम वो वाले वीडियो से सुन लो। these questions you hear from that video. Okay, if you will be having any problem, I will discuss it. Today I am going to discuss the question answer of section E. Okay, now be very prompt. I will be discussing the question answer of section E. Any problem to anybody?
नो
Any
सर
problem?
नो सर।
Should I
नो
proceed?
सर।
Okay, should I proceed?
यस सर।
नो सर।
यस सर।
यस सर।
No sir.
सर
कौन बोल रहा है नो सर? बताओ।
सर किसी में कुछ आवाज आ रहा है।
सर मैं फर्स्ट आंसर दूं
चलो जब हम पूछेंगे तब देना है। ठीक है, नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू म्यूट ऑल ऑफ यू। ओके,
ओके सर।
आई एम गोइंग टू म्यूट ऑल ऑफ यू, and meanwhile I am seeing that some of you have raised your hand. Shwadhasri, tell me what problem you are facing, why you have raised your hand?
नो सर मैं मुझे कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है वो जो आप उस समय क्वेश्चन पूछे थे ना तो सर उसी के लिए रेज हैंड की हुई थी
Okay, चलो ठीक है, म्यूट योरसेल्फ एंड डाउन योर हैंड। Okay, next Aditya Kumar, roll number 5. Unmute yourself. What problem you are facing? Aditya Kumar, tell me. Aditya Kumar. If you will raise your hand unnecessary and you will not let me know, then I will remove you from the class. I am very strict in all these things. Mind it. I will remove you from the class. Why you have raised your hand? Next. Vikram Raj. Unmute yourself. Vikram Raj, unmute yourself. Come on the screen. Vikram Raj. भगा देंगे हम यहाँ से बिना मतलब का अगर हाथ उठाओगे तो. नेक्स्ट. शॉर्ट नैन्सी सेन 5B. शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन का आंसर कल हम वीडियो भेजे हैं, उस वीडियो को आप देख लीजिए, सुन लीजिए, समझ लीजिए. क्लास DEF में हम उसको पढ़ाए थे और तुमको भी समझ में आ जाएगा. ठीक है, तुमको भी वो समझ में आ जाएगा. नहीं समझ में आएगा कल हम उसको फिर से डिस्कस करेंगे, प्रॉब्लम को हम फिर से डिस्कस करेंगे. ठीक है. नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट द डिस्कशन ऑफ द क्वेश्चन आंसर. ओके. I will be giving you this page. Now we will be discussing this question. Now you can answer it in the chat mode. Okay. You can answer it in the chat mode. Okay. Now give 3 reasons for the spoilage of food. I will be highlighting this. Okay. So answer this question. If you know, you can answer it. If you know, you can answer it. Give 3 reasons for the spoilage of food. Give 3 reasons for the spoilage of food. If you know the answer, you can answer it in the chat mode. Or you can raise your hand. Unnecessary raising of hand, I will remove you from the class. Don't raise your hand unnecessary. If you want to say, then you raise your hand. Else I will remove you. Okay. Now I am going to unmute Piyush Raj of class 5A. Okay, I am going to unmute Piyush Raj of class 5A.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
Piyush Raj, you tell me, what are the reasons for the spoilage of food?
Microorganisms generally organized like bacteria and fungi are the main cause of from the spoilage of food. They organize tend to grow fats in person of mostly are warm. Second,
Can you share?
chemical.
Can you share your screen? Can you share your screen if I permit you?
सर शेयर करना है सर जो लिखे हैं.
हाँ, दिखा सकते हो सबको. छोड़ो.
Yes,
अभी
sir.
हम लोग कल देखेंगे. छोड़ दो. लीव इट. कल हम लोग देखेंगे सबका स्क्रीन. ठीक है. ओके पीयूष राज, म्यूट योरसेल्फ. नाउ सची कुमारी, अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ. Unmute yourself.
Microorganism, enzymes, and insects, worms, and rats are the three reasons of spoilage of food.
Very good. Next. Okay, mute yourself. Swadhasri, unmute yourself. Tell me, what are the reasons of the spoilage of the food?
If food is not stored properly, it gets spoiled. The tiny organisms like bacteria and fungi are the main causes for the spoilage. If food gets more moisturizer, it gets
Okay, very
spoiled.
good. Okay, mute yourself. Now, Swati Kumari 5A. Unmute yourself. Swati Kumari 5A. Tell me, Swati.
Growth of microorganisms, action of enzymes, rodents and insects.
Okay. Now, Smriti Komal, unmute yourself.
The three reasons for spoilage of food are microorganisms, enzymes, insects, worms, and rats.
Very good. Okay, mute yourself. Mute yourself. Risharanjan. Risharanjan, unmute yourself. Tell me the reason of the spoilage of food.
Microorganism, enzymes, insect, worm, and rat are the three main reasons for a spoilage of food.
Okay. Now, Srishti Raj. Srishti Raj. Srishti Raj, unmute yourself. Go ahead, unmute yourself. Bolo, bolo. Srishti Raj, bolo. Srishti Raj, can you hear me? Srishti Raj. I cannot hear you. You unmute yourself from your mobile. Unmute yourself. मोबाइल में देखो तुम्हारा I cannot hear you. Srishti Raj, I cannot hear you. अनम्यूट नहीं हो रहा है. हम तो तुमको यहाँ से अनम्यूट कर दिए हैं. Okay, you answer it in the chat mode, Srishti Raj. Next, Ritika Kumari. Ritika Kumari. Ritika Kumari. Ritika Kumari. Come on, unmute yourself.
These organisms lend to grow fast in the moisture and warm place. Second, enzymes. It change color and appearance of food products. Second, third,
Okay, thank
insect,
you.
worm, and rat. These animals usually make their home in moisture and dark place where food item available.
Okay, very good. Next, Abhinav Kumar 5A. Unmute yourself.
Microorganisms, enzymes, insect, worms, that are the reason to a spoilage of food.
Right, very good. Now Nishant. Nishant Anupam, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir. Sir, microorganisms, sir, fungi, microorganisms, and sir, insects and rats.
Insects and
Rats.
insects and rat. Okay. Next, Shamli Kumari. Unmute yourself.
Sir,
Shamli Kumari.
microorganisms.
Tell. Go ahead.
Sir, microorganism, rats. Sir, sexy worms.
Microorganism. Okay. And last
Worm.
student. Last student, it is Kasses. Okay, Kasses, unmute yourself. Come on the screen. Okay, Kassis has left. Okay. Now next, I hope all of you have heard it. I hope all of you have heard it. Now let's write it. Okay, let's write it. You can answer it in the chat mode too. Okay. Now let's write the answer. Okay. Let's write the answer. Okay. Now the three reason for the The spoilage of foods are first. What is the first reason? First reason, it is microorganism. Microorganism. Okay. And second reason is action of enzyme. Okay. And third reason is rodents. Third reason is rodents, pest, rodents, pest, and insect. Okay, microorganisms the growth of spoil the food and tends to grow more in following two condition. Okay, following two condition. One is the warm temperature, and second, moisture. Okay, now next, second action of enzyme. Enzymes are present in fruits and vegetable. Okay, fruits and vegetable. They are for ripening of fruits. Ripening. They are responsible for ripening. But over secretion of enzyme leads to a spoilage of fruits and okay, समझ में आया? So action of enzymes. Okay, the action of enzymes can be stopped. Action of enzyme can be stopped by low temperature. Okay, this is very important line. The action of enzymes can be okay. Next, rodents and insects. If food are stored improperly, if foods are stored improperly, they attract the rodents, pests, and insects. So we should keep food in covered container and out of reach of rodents, pests, and let me, Bikram Raj, I will talk to you. Wait, I hope you have understood this question. If you have understood this question, all of you have understood this question. I have unmuted all of you. If you have understood this question, let me know.
Yes,
I have
yes, sir. Yes,
All of
sir.
you?
सर पूरा
सर
मैं
थोड़ा ऊपर कीजिए सर, क्योंकि हम ऊपर वाला का स्क्रीनशॉट अच्छे से नहीं ले पाए थे और सर लिख भी नहीं पाए थे।
चलो ठीक है, हम इसको
सर ऊपर कीजिए।
सर थोड़ा
बात
ऊपर
सुनो।
कीजिए ना।
ऊपर कीजिए ना। ऊपर कीजिए।
मेरी बात सुनो, वीडियो हम देते हैं ना व्हाट्सएप में, वीडियो देते हैं ना व्हाट्सएप में। जब व्हाट्सएप में वीडियो देते हैं तो उससे क्लिक करके अब हम ऊपर किए हुए रहेंगे तो हम पढ़ाएंगे कब, दिखाएंगे कब? तो वीडियो से लिख लेना, ठीक है? वीडियो से लिख लेना, ठीक है? ओके, नेक्स्ट, हाउ फूड प्रिजर्वेशन इज हेल्पफुल टू अस? हु विल आंसर दिस क्वेश्चन? हाउ फूड प्रिजर्वेशन इज हेल्पफुल टू अस? हु विल आंसर दिस क्वेश्चन? How food preservation is helpful to us? Who will answer this question? Okay, Trisha Ranjan 5B. Trisha Ranjan 5B. Tell me.
Yes, sir. First, it helps to maintain nutritive value of food. Second, it makes seasonal food available throughout the year. Third, it decreases wastage of food by preserving decay or spoilage of food. Fourth, many perishable food can be preserved for a long time.
Okay. So what you are saying? Once again you dictate it. Say it.
It helps to maintain nutritive value of food.
Nutritive
Second,
नहीं होगा.
it makes
Listen me,
seasonal food.
listen me. It helps to maintain. It helps to maintain nutritive value. Nutritive value. Okay, next. Second point
It
you can
makes
say.
seasonal food available throughout the year.
Okay. And third point.
It decreases wastage of food by preventing spoilage of food.
Okay, wait. Means seasonal food. Seasonal food.
Available throughout
Seasonal fruits and vegetables are available throughout the year. Wait 1 minute. Let me share this screen. Okay, let me share this screen. Okay. Tell me what happened. Seasonal fruits and vegetables are available. Okay, available throughout the
year.
Okay, next, you stop. Now Srishti Raj, you come on the, you unmute yourself and you tell. Srishti Raj, I have follow.
Food preservation is helpful in many ways. First, it helps to maintain nutrient value food. Second, it makes seasonal food available throughout the year.
Listen me carefully what I am going to say. Apart from this, if you know, okay, apart from this which is written here, if you know something other than this, then you will speak. Okay, then you will speak. Okay, if you know something other than this, then only you will speak. Right? Chalo, come on, start.
Second, it makes seasonal food available throughout the year. Third, it decreases wastage of food by preserving decay or spoilage food.
It decreases the wastage of food by stopping spoilage. Next, anything else? Anything else? Now, Swadhasri, you tell me. Unmute yourself. Swadhasri.
सर बोलूं?
हाँ बोलो.
Many preservable foods can be preserved for a long time.
Many you tell something other than this. Okay.
Okay,
Tell
sir.
me.
Sir. रुकिए सर बोलते हैं. हाँ. It helps in adding variety to the diet. For example,
Okay,
in
yes,
some
this is
countries.
correct. This is correct. Okay, this is correct. Okay, let me take it down. Okay, let me take it down. It add, what you are saying? It add variety of food.
Diet of the
Oh,
diet.
okay, it add variety of food in our diet. Okay, very good. That is correct answer. Next, apart from you, now let me ask the Khushi Kumari. Unmute yourself, Khushi Kumari. Unmute yourself, Khushi Kumari. Okay, Khushi Kumari, unmute yourself. Okay, if you want
Sir,
to say
bole.
something other than bolo.
Food preservation is helpful in many ways. It helps to maintain
वो
nutritive
तो हो गया.
value of food.
मेरी बात सुनो. इसके अलावा अगर और कुछ है तो बताओ. ठीक है, इसके अलावा ये जो लिख बताई है ना, इसके अलावा अगर कुछ है तो बताओ. ठीक है.
It increases the shelf life of food, thus
Okay,
increasing
चलो
its supply. Many perishable foods can be preserved for a long time.
it increases the food of life as perishable. Okay, very good. Now this question is complete. Okay, now I hope you have understood it, everybody. And Swati Kumari, will you like to add something? Swati, I am saying that you have raised your hand. Will you like to add something?
These are the substance added in food so that food can remain fit for
Okay. Okay. Now, I hope all of you have understood it. Any problem to anybody? This question is clear to you?
Yes.
Yes,
This
sir.
question is
Yes, sir.
okay. Next question.
Question: why is it important to check the manufacturing?
Why it is necessary to check manufacturing? Very important question. Tell me. Who will say? Why it is necessary to check manufacturing date and expiry date before consuming them? Okay, who will say? Any new face? I will give the chance to the new face. Abhinav Kumar 5A. He is the new face, I think. Abhinav Kumar, unmute yourself. Tell me. Why it is necessary?
Manufacturing expired date of food of information about the life of packaged food product for consume. When this date has passed, food may lose some of this freshness and flavor.
Okay, thank you. Very good. Akash Kumar 5A. Unmute yourself. 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 Risharanjan 5B. Unmute yourself. Tell me.
It
Risharanjan.
is important to check the manufacturing and the expiry date packing food item before consuming them, because when the food get expired, it means the food get expired. So if we consume this food, we can become sick.
Okay, very good. Thank you. Thank you. Very good. Srishti Raj. Srishti Raj.
Relation between the manufacturing and expiry
Wait,
date of
wait 1 minute. Okay, now Srishti, whom I said to speak?
Duration between the manufacturing and expiry date of packaged food item are good food and able to consume afterwards. Enzymes and bacteria take place.
Once again, you repeat it.
Duration between the manufacturing and expiry date of packaged food item are good food are able to consume afterwards. Enzymes and bacteria take place.
Okay, thank you. Very good. Very good. Smriti Kamal. Okay. What was your name? Srishti Raj.
Srishti
Okay.
Raj.
Now Smriti Kamal, unmute yourself.
It is important as we cannot or should not consume anything which has reached near expiry and it is waste and spoiled after the expiry. So to care of ourselves and our health, it is necessary.
Next, Shamli Kumari, unmute yourself. Shamli Kumari.
Yes, sir. We should
Tell
not
me.
consume. We should not consume expired food because we consume the expired food. We will sick and we will sick.
Okay, chalo. Right, Akash Kumar 5A. Akash Kumar 5A. Akash Kumar 5A. Chalo, over. Now I have some answers are also. Sachi Kumari, you have don't say anything. Don't write anything else in the chat mode. It disturbs. Okay. Your sound is. My sound is coming.
Yes,
Can you
sir.
hear me? Okay.
Sir.
Now we should write this question. See here. If you want to add something, you can add here. Okay. Now, why it is necessary to check the manufacturing date before consuming them? The manufacturing date and the manufacturing date, the duration.
The duration between manufacturing date and the expiry date tell us that in the world
Wellness and goodness.
Wells and goodness. Sir, wellness का spelling?
Wellness.
Yes, sir. Say.
Of food. If the duration is more, duration between manufacturing date and less the food is near to spoil. The food is near to spoil, and if we consume, we may fall sick. Okay, देखो मेरी बात सुन लो. अगर मान लो expiry date or manufacturing date or expiry date का अगर डिफरेंस कम है, when there is less difference between the manufacturing date and expiry date, the food is likely to be spoiled.
सर एक और बार स्क्रीन शेयर कीजिए सर जरा सा लिखना.
Food is likely to be spoiled, and if we consume the spoiled food, we may fall ill, we may fall sick. I hope you have got any problem. Now the last question, I think this is the last question. This is the last question. Explain the
Sir, हाँ बोलो.
सनाया होस्ट है.
Sir, मैं इसको दूँ.
okay.
सर है.
wait. Canning and bottling.
सर मैं दूँ.
Sir, मैं.
Cooking of
बोलो
food.
बोलो.
Canning involves cooking food, selling it in sterile
नहीं पूछे.
Sir,
हाँ बोलो. Sterilize.
सर मैं बोलूँ.
हाँ बोलो.
Canning and bottling. Canning involves cooking food, sealing in it, sterile cans or jars, and boiling the
contain.
to kill or weaken any remaining bacteria through a form of sterilization. Many fruits, vegetables, and meat products are canned
Okay,
to
chalo.
preserve them.
The prepared food is packed in airtight container, sterilized container, and sterilized container. Sterilized container. Okay. And okay, then is pasteurization. Who will say pasteurization?
Sir,
This is
Sir, मैं. Sir,
बोलो
मैं.
बोलो
Sir, साची बोली थी. Sir, मैं बोलूँ.
बोलो जल्दी.
It is the
बोलो.
process in which the food product is subjected to pressurized heating for a short time, followed by immediate cooling. The temperature used during pasteurization is below 212 Celsius, 100 Celsius.
100 degrees Celsius. Milk is
Anybody
pasteurized.
else? Okay, milk is pasteurized. Now only one minute is left. I hope we will see it again. Now what you will do, what you are supposed to do, you will read all the question, you will hear the video. Both videos I have given yesterday, and today I will also again give you the post the video in your Facebook group. You will hear all this, and you will come tomorrow. Tomorrow we will revise it. Okay. Again I will one of your class, another of section CD. Okay. I will post off section CD.
Sir, last
All the
question
quiet.
करवाया गया.
अरे करवा देंगे. और ये भी यहाँ